My name's Sawyer and I don't make executes, I make real results. I earn over 100,000 bucks every week and own several villas you'll see in all my videos. Everything I've built came from trading and discipline, nothing else. And now I'm giving everyone a real chance to start. In my Telegram channel you will find free education, free practice and my personal trading signals. Join my community and message me because I will show you how really success looks like.
The key is not to get back what was lost. That mind test destroys more accounts than bad signals. I trade only when the mind is clear, not chasing revenge. Markets don't care about my emotions or frustrations. They reward only structure and control.
Let's open that long trade here. This is a very relatively good entry point for this trade. We are following the trend. Let's highlight the trading area. The movement is very dynamic here. I am more inclined to analyze and focus on technical movements here. Here we see that the pullbacks are approaching the midline, the moving average of our channel.
Want to earn over $1,000 a week in trading? I teach my community for free, real strategies, real results and daily high accuracy signals. Join my Sawyer community now and see how it's done.
Here we see a fairly strong pullback, and accordingly after this pullback we will open a long trade. I think I'm absolutely right here, and our trade should close in profit. Two good pullback is in place because the movement has already crossed the moving average, and in theory it should already be reversing. If you understand how Bollinger Bands works, you understand me perfectly, and as I said, the deal closed smoothly and we made a profit.
At the beginning, I entered randomly. No logic, no confirmation. A signal popped up, I was already in. Of course, those trades ended in losses almost every time, until I realized even 1 minute needs structure and order. Without it, you just react instead of analyze. For me, trading became a reflection of life. Control what you can, accept what you can't, build a process and trust it, even through chaos. Because consistency isn't the goal, it's the way. And that's what defines a real trader.
Let's open a long trade right here, why not? I don't think there is anything wrong with that. I think the moment will move higher. Let's highlight the working area. This is a very interesting entry point. We see a very strong price pullback and then we see a touch of the lower moving average. We are very confident that the RSI is exiting the oversold zone, so I think we should definitely open a long trade here. We also have a good touch point. Overall, let's watch the outcome. The candle has already provided its main moment, so the trade could close at this level, more or less, and in theory this is possible and should be expected. We have 10 seconds left and so far I am completely satisfied with the movement of this candle. The most important thing is that there wasn't a downward impulse in the final seconds. It didn't happen and the trade smoothly in profit.
There are days when everything aligns perfectly. Price respects levels, volume confirms, mind in chart. I call this state flow. I can't be forced. It appears when discipline meets rhythm. Momentum feels effortless when you are ready for it.
Stop guessing in trading, start learning. In my Telegram I give free lessons, strategy breakdowns and 80% win rate signals every day. Join the Sawyer community, let's grow together.